It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all. It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
So today you're going to engage in a few walks around the field. We thank everyone for joining us for this very important cause.
With every field and rising sea, can hear the sounds of all, and with every change we'll always be where hope's not lost but found. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
As we push through this moment, we are here to celebrate. We are here to unite. And we are here to believe that we can win and fight against cancer.
Thank you all for coming out. This is surely an example of faith. It's an example of Tiger Pride that I say runs citywide in this town. If you don't believe it, just look around. See all the people that we have here. This is Tiger Pride. This is what we do in Linden. We fight.
And we know the change will surely come. Maybe one more trip around the sun, but we'll gather here where land meets sea, where we can be as one.